In this video, we'll guide you inside the 87th Thessaloniki International Fair. You'll learn all about the location, the ticket prices, the opening hours, and what you can expect to see. As we walk along, you can check the bottom left for the area titles, or just skip to the relevant chapters on the video to watch the selected area. Each chapter has its own descriptive narration, so you can easily find more details about the area. The 87th Thessaloniki International Fair takes place from Saturday, September 9th, to Sunday, September 17th, 2023. The venue is in the city center with 3 different entrances, one from the south at Stratu Avenue and 2 from the north at Ignatia Avenue. This year, Bulgaria is the honored country. As you enter from the southern fair entrance, you just have to walk up and to the left to Pavilion 13. Bulgarian businesses showed significant enthusiasm for participating in the Thessaloniki International Fair right from the outset. In this regard, they are set to engage in numerous B2B meetings with Greek companies, and the total count of these meetings is expected to surpass 1,000. Check the description tab for a link to a map of the floor plan of all pavilions. Visiting hours are as follows. Weekdays, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. The general entry fee is €8. Children up to 4 years old enter for free. Children aged 4 to 12 years old pay €5. There are also family tickets available. A group of 4 people pays €25. A family with 3 or more children pays €25. Achieving zero emissions is a crucial goal for combating climate change and preserving the environment. Inside the fair, you can get a glimpse of the new electric public buses that will operate in Thessaloniki. However, if you take a closer look, as we did, you'll notice that this particular featured bus is equipped with the ACTV Venice ticket machine. Naturally, there are also many electric cars on display. This year's event boasts 18 international participants, including the honored country, Bulgaria. Notably, South Korea, Moldova, and Thailand are making their inaugural appearances, while the roster also includes Cyprus, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Vietnam, Uruguay, Ukraine, Armenia, Iran, Italy, Poland, France, Serbia, India, and Nepal. As we mentioned, South Korea is participating for the first time. Since Busan is a candidate city for the 2030 World Expo, it's only natural that the pavilion dedicates a prominent space for this reason. In the description tab, you can find links to our travel information to South Korea. Follow our descriptive narration if you want to visit Busan, Seoul, and Jeju Island. Have you ever been to a World Expo? We did, and you can check the links for our visit to Milan World Expo. In general, there are approximately 1,500 exhibitors from both Greece and abroad. The fair aims to showcase an extensive range of both traditional and modern products and services, serving as a platform for some of the most captivating markets in the global economy. The roots of the International Fair date back almost 100 years, to the October of 1926, when it welcomed 100,000 visitors. As Expo states, it reflects the rhythm and atmosphere of domestic and international entrepreneurship while also contributing to the cultural development of Greece by organizing artistic and sports events. Besides that, TIFF is the annual appointment between the political leadership and the Greek people, concerning the economy and the political agenda for the year to follow. Keep watching as we move to the live music events area, MOMus Museum entrance, and the second Collectibles Expo Pavilion. Typically, the ticket entitles you to free entrance to live music events. This year, due to the tragic events following the floods in central Greece, it wasn't clear if these events would take place. The designated area, as you can see, is just below the large arch at the south entrance, where a stage is set up. Just a bit above that area, you can also visit the MOMus Museum. MOMus stands for the Metropolitan Organization of Museums of Visual Arts of Thessaloniki. It was born from the merger of 4 Thessaloniki-based museums and art venues, which is why it covers areas ranging from photography to modern art. The Expo premises house the Contemporary Museum, while the others are located in the city's port area and to the west at the former site of the Lazaristes Monastery. The second Collectibles Expo is a fair dedicated to coins, banknotes, stamps, medals, decorations, phone cards, maps, books, journals, toys, discs, watches, postcards, photographs, philatelic history, and other collectibles. You can find it in Pavilion 6 of the Nations. We particularly appreciate the featured exhibition, Thessaloniki in the Collections, which showcases the city's history and civilization through collectibles such as stamps, coins, banknotes, medals, paintings, engravings, folk art, and more. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content. Do you have a question? Post it in the comments section. Check the description tab for more details about this destination, or read along with the subtitles. For more, visit our webpage bestravelvideo.com.